So let's look at part 4, but before I explain, this is actually out of syllabus. Okay, so let me write down the code which is out of this. Okay, so yeah, but anyway, we're going to look at that. So this part here is not that difficult per se. So the result in part 1 represents a family of curves. Some of the members' family are straight lines. Write down the equation of these lines, right? So z is given, okay, we're going to let y is equals to, we just get y equals to 3 over, y equals to 3 over x plus pe minus 2x plus c plus q. Okay, so if it's a straight line, it just means that in order for this equation to be a straight line, this is a family curve, we just need p to be 0 because this is not straight, right? This portion here is not straight at all. So what we need to do is actually make this 0. So for straight line, p equals to 0, y is a straight line. Okay, y is a straight line. Then after which, because family members just means that you can plot a few answers in, right? So you can plot 1 with p equals to 1, or maybe plot 1 p equals to 2. Okay. But we need to let q be a constant as well. So I would suggest just let q equals to, let's say 2, and q equals to 2 as well. Doesn't matter. You could see the value here. So once you plot this equation here, there you go. We could actually solve for this graph here. So you just bring out GC, plot in 3 over 2x plus p is 2, right? And p is 2, and p is 0. Then q is 2. Okay, so there's one way to plot this in. My suggestion would be just plot this out. 3 over 2, and you let this be x, right? Then after that you have got p plus p will take a value of what we did was we should put minus 1 here instead. So this is 0, 1, and minus 1. So I'm just going to put this as -1, 0, 1, curly bracket. Okay, so it just means that we will sub 3 values in, and e to the power of -2x. That's about it. Family curve, right? Then q will be 2, because I'm just going to use q as 2. It doesn't matter, you can just use any value there. So there you go. This is the graph that I'm looking at. So I'm going to zoom standard first, then after which I'm going to just zoom into this line here. You could see that zoom, maybe I just put this as -5 and 5, and we'll see the graph, how the graph looks like. So I'm going to chop off this y min and y max. So y min, I'll put -5 as well. Get this line here. So this is the value, the graph. So window y max, maybe put 3. Okay, then y min may put -3 as well. Okay, great. So this is a nice graph here. So you can see that this is actually the asymptote there. This line will be the asymptote, right? So this is a family member of the curve. This is when p is, when p is 0, q is 2. This is when p is 1, q is -1, and this is when p is -1 and q is 2. Sorry, q is 2. So this is a family curve. Just write down all the value that you get. Alright, and sketch. That's about it. Do they want to sketch all? Yeah. So you can just sketch 3 of them, or you can just leave 2 of them as well. It's fine. But generally, we just need to know that you're able to find the linear graph there. Okay. So that's how I do this question here proficiently. Now, any question at all, please let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.